Hills that killed 5 people and an unborn child. Now, late today, LA County District Attorney announced criminal charges against the driver accused of causing that horrific crash. Our KCAL 9's Jasmine Veal live outside the courthouse right now in downtown LA, where that nurse is expected in court. Jazz.
Yeah, she is, Leslie. Now, the district attorney, George Gascon, charging her with multiple counts of murder, saying that her conduct was so egregious. I did just step out of the courtroom here, where any minute now we are told that 37-year-old Nicole Linton will be making her first court appearance. I saw family members of one of the victims, Reynold Lester, sitting inside of that courtroom. Also, if convicted, if she ends up being convicted on all of those counts, we're talking about 90 years to life in prison.
There's catastrophic damage to the families and friends of those killed and injured.
Inside the Hall of Justice Monday, LA County District Attorney George Gascon laid out the charges against Nicole Linton. 6 counts of murder, which includes an unborn child, and 5 counts of gross vehicular manslaughter for the 5 people who died. The law does not allow this charge for an unborn child.
Today we are going to be filing criminal charges in connection with last Thursday's tragic crash that killed 6 people and injure 6 others.
The Houston native and a registered nurse was the driver of a gray Mercedes-Benz that Gascon says careened through a red light around 90 miles per hour at the intersection of Slauson and La Brea Avenue last Thursday. The fiery crash killed 6 people, including pregnant mother Ashray Ryan, her unborn child, and her 11-month-old son Alonzo. Her family is calling for the maximum penalty possible. Reynold Lester was also in the car with Ryan, his pregnant girlfriend, on their way to a doctor's appointment when their car was hit.
A young family was destroyed at a blink of an eye.
In all, Gascon said at least 6 cars were struck. 2 women in a Nissan Altima were killed. They have not yet been identified. Tabia J. Johnson says she was in the intersection in her car and witnessed the horrific crash, posting this video to social media minutes after.
The car that blew up next to me. That lady is fine. She's alive. She's bleeding. She's bloody, but she's okay.
Gascon says right now there is no evidence of alcohol use, as CHP is still trying to find witnesses who may have been with Linton leading up to the crash. Linton was arrested Friday morning as she remained hospitalized at Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center. She was then booked into jail and is being held on $9 million bail. Again, 6 vehicles, other vehicles were involved in this collision. 5 people with minor injuries inside of that SUV, along with another driver. CHP is investigating. Live here in downtown Los Angeles, I'm Jasmine Veal for KCAL 9 News.
All right, Jasmine, thank you. A surprise plea deal